So, buongiorno from San Diego. This is gorgeous Balboa Park, and it has 18 museums, beautiful gardens, the San Diego Zoo, and it's above, I'll pan right over here, I think it's the 405 and 5 freeways. And then in the distance, not too far, a few miles, there's downtown San Diego. There's a plane coming into land at the airport. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And this is Shar from my Italy Reno, but I won't be back in Italy for 7 months. I'm in California right now, visiting family and friends. So there'll be more in the park because there's so much to see here. It's really gorgeous. So, buona giornata from San Diego.